Hey everyone, I bet you thought I gave up, didn't you? Oh ye of little faith, I haven't given up. Project 11 and 12. So far I've done, I think 20 Christmas cards, I'm not sure. Maybe more. I know I have 2 more packs to do. I have done, you can see it, a lot. This is Project 11. This is 10. This is 11. And what I've done is put together what I have been working on, which are a lot of tags and journal cards for Christmas. And I've got a bag of beads here. Some pockets with tags in them. And, woo! A lot of Christmas ephemera holders. I don't even know how many. But I told you I would be using up my 12 by 12 paper packs. Now this is what is left. I've got a 6 by 6 Christmas pad. Some more red and green. I've got some red and green ribbons. Some red and white ribbons. And I'm sending all of this to Defy and let them include them in the hardest December kits to do as they please. They can finish the tags, decorate the ephemera holders, whatever they want to do with them. But this is 11 and 12, and it is going to Defy for their December packages. So, I am still working on it. I'm still sick. I'm not all the way back yet, but I am still slowly healing and slowly working on things. And still having a lot of trouble breathing, as you can hear. So, I've got some more videos coming up, and I will show you what I've been working on while I've been down recovering. See you soon.